Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. We're located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory at all times. Today we're going to look at this 1987 Fleetside four-wheel drive K10 Silverado package on this vehicle. But if you're interested in this vehicle or any of the other 100 vehicles we have in inventory, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You can see we have several C2s. Currently we have several C3s as well. We have a 71 heavy Chevy, 65 Malibu SS, a 70 Chevelle SS, McLaren, several Vipers back there on the other side. And we have several older Mercedes, a 51 pickup, but just a few of the vehicles we have in inventory. Over 100 vehicles we keep. Right now I think we have about 85, but we traditionally have around 100 vehicles in inventory. We are open 6 days a week, Monday through Friday. Monday through Saturday. Monday through Friday our hours are 9 to 5, on Saturday 10 to 2. Please visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for updates on vehicles and our hours. If you're interested in shipping, Kayla, who works in our front office, is able to manage shipping worldwide, door to door. She's been shipping for over 9.5 years, so can certainly ship this vehicle or any of our vehicles door to door worldwide. As I mentioned, anywhere in the US, Canada, Europe, and we've shipped vehicles to Budapest, Hungary this year, Netherlands, Australia, Asia, to name a few locations. So certainly can handle your shipping needs. If you have financing needs, we do work with finance partners. Several of our finance partners focus on just classic cars, so we are able to get financing on older vehicles. If you need financing on some of the newer vehicles we have, we also have partners there as well. But I'm sure you're interested in this 87 Fleetside, so let's dive into it. As you can see, it is in the rare canyon copper color, has the rally wheels, BF Goodrich tires. The paint is in excellent condition. Walk you through it. And again, I know I may scan fairly quick with the video camera here. Please visit the website. As I mentioned, there's a lot more pictures there, 50 or 75 to 100 pictures of the vehicle on the website, so you'll be able to look a little bit closer. But just a excellent condition vehicle here. You can see the four-wheel drive. The chrome is in very good condition. As you can see, the chrome bumper here. It does have the towing package and the step bumper, as you can see here. The bed is obviously in very good condition. And again, this paint, this canyon copper, looks fantastic, is in excellent shape, shines well. As you can see, the reflection of the signs on the wall here. I know it's dark, so you may not be able to see the engine bay completely, but again, visit our website and you'll see much lighter pictures of the engine bay. Very clean engine bay. You see power brakes, power steering. It does have the 5.7 liter fuel injection. As I mentioned, it is four-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. The interior is black. Black seats. Again, seat is in excellent condition. There's a Bluetooth connection, as you can see. Dual fuel tanks. Again, the pictures are dark, but please visit our website. You'll be able to see it there. Has added a remote, so it does have power locks, power windows, AC. Starts right up. Fuel gauge does work. The doors do lock, as I mentioned. They have the power locks with the remote. Tack. The clock is working here. Difficult to see in the dark. Speedometer. Odometer has 58,772, and again it is exempt on the title, the mileage. The four-wheel drive. Yeah, so you can listen to the engine. Engine sounds great, just purrs as it should. Go back so you can listen to the exhaust. Again, just an excellent condition K10. Exhaust. We'll also raise it up so you can see the underbelly of it. Get the high idle off here. It sounds very good. Runs well, very strong engine. Go ahead and start it off so we can shut it off. So raise it up in the air here and let you see the bottom. And while I'm raising it up again, just want to mention, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. We can answer any questions that you may have. Visit the website. There's additional information and pictures on the website of the vehicle. So if I'm scanning over or missed something, or obviously in the interior where it was dark, you can see pictures online. Again, there's about 50 to 75 pictures online. If you have shipping needs, as I mentioned, please call us at 941-355-1955. Ask for Kayla, and she can help you manage your shipping needs door to door, anywhere worldwide. And earlier I mentioned financing. We also have the ability to help you get finance. You can visit our website for that. Go to the finance tab and fill out an application, or give us a call and we can help you there as well. If you're looking, let me just get the light here. There we go. Get the light on so everybody can see. As I was talking, if you want information on this vehicle or any of the 100 vehicles we have in inventory, please give us a call or visit the website. But again, I wanted to focus on this 87 K10. So look at the bottom of it. Again, clean. Disc brakes, power brakes, as you can see. Floor is in a very good condition. Frame is solid. Again, just the excellent exterior. The underneath is in very good condition. As you look through, again, solid. Look at the bottom of the deck. It's all solid. No rust. Does have power drum brakes on the back. can see the shocks. Sorry for the light flashing here, but again, just an excellent excellent vehicle overall. See the underside of it with the strobe light there. Sorry for that. But again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, or as you see on the lift here, Clean Classic Cars will get you there as well. But our website is Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you are interested, please visit us for this 1987 Fleetside pickup, four-wheel drive with the Silverado package. Very, very clean car, runs strong, and again, popular square body. Again, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you very much.